All right, I'm going to give you a very quick, very to the point tutorial on using free ChatGPT to create images that you can use on your website. Um, if you're in my class, you've seen all the imagery I've created. This is how I did all of that. It's going to be really simple. So I'm going to open up my ChatGPT app. You could do this in the browser. You don't necessarily have to do it in the app. I like the app. I'm going to grab some images that I created in the past, and I'm going to add them to this post. This gives GPT sort of an idea of the style I'm going for. And I like these types of images, these sort of drawings with epic feelings. And today, let me think, what do I want to create? I want to create an image that represents, let me think, somebody who is making their first sale of one of their products or something like that on the internet. So I'm going to type a prompt, and I'm doing this real time, so we'll see how it comes out. Show me or create an image, draw me an image. We can argue all day about if it's creating it or stealing it or whatever. Draw me an image with a similar style to the ones I've uploaded. Added here, that shows an artist sitting at their desk, at their laptop, seeing that they've just made a sale of their online course to someone from their website. This artist is very happy and celebrating by dancing. And then I'm going to add some more detail, like show coins and cash falling from the sky, because it's the internet and we're making this up, as a light blazes out of the computer screen, right? So you're giving the prompt this image of, okay, I want to see somebody sitting here doing this. This is the vibe. This is what they're doing. I've got this ambiance of abundance and cash flow, and there's light coming out of the screen, and I want it done similarly in style to these other images. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to think for a moment. It can be really challenging to find the right stock photos, so this is a replication of that kind of a thing, but you can tune it a little bit more. And there are multiple places you can go do this. Oh, that's pretty crazy. Let's see. Do I like it? It's cool. Yeah, it gives some vibes. So I'm going to open it with preview. I'm going to hit export. I'm going to go first sale.png, right? I'm going to save it down to my desktop. Do I love the style? Kind of. It's not quite exactly what I was going for. So I only get two images a day on my freebie account here. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to say, take this image, and it'll know I'm referring to the one that was just created, and make it a bit more artistic and subdued without losing the energy of it. Give it a mythic quality. Kind of goes with my brand a little bit more. See what it does with this. You're not going to hit the jackpot on every image, but you're also able to build these. Okay, that looks more like my style. Let's see. Yeah, I kind of like that. So I'm going to open this with preview. I'm going to hit export. I'm going to say first sale mythic vibes. Right? and then I'm done for the day. But there are other ways to do this. I like the images that come out of ChatGPT. Um, you can also, especially if you have a Canva Pro account, you end up getting like 500 credits per month to create imagery in there. There's a very similar process. I'll make another short video on that. Right now I'm going to go take a nap because I'm super tired, and I'm going to honor that. But I just wanted to let you know that it is possible to make these images. It's not hard. It's not expensive. And say I want to go put this on my website, right? I can stretch this out, right? I can put this in. I can put I can take something like that. I could put an overlay of dark on it and make it a little bit more subdued. And I could put that as a background behind something on my website. And that will give it that feeling that's, you know, this is my style. Your style is going to be different. Your audience is going to be different. Your vibes are going to be different. But it's pretty amazing. ChatGPT has like inhaled all of humanity's talents, and you know, whatever you think of it, it's there as a tool to use if you want to do it. And if you're going out with your mission, and you're going out with your art, and you're going out with your true work, you can leverage this to create your place in the shimmer, and you can draw in other folks who might be feeling this. I don't know. Does this? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know if this one feels good to you or not. All right. Peace. Be well.